So say दीक्षा, one is that जैसे आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं और जब हम 1-to-1 मिलेंगे और बात करेंगे, एक उसकी एक अलग बात होगी, एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा। तो ऑफिस जब आना है, सबसे पहले सेल्फ से स्टार्ट करने, लाइक यू rightly said, the safety begins with me.
I think return to office is important because work is suffering for every organization, every sector. There are limitations to how much we can work from home. Though we say it's a viable option, it's not that nothing can happen. But return to office is looking positive now, and a lot of IT companies, a lot of corporate giants are really pushing for the vaccination. So, which is the first step, which is very important for everyone to come back to office.
Though engagement has been hampered, and there are various studies which say that शुरू में productivity ऊपर गई and then it came down. So that's another thing.
But now when all of them are on remote or virtual, how are you going to lead or manage? So that leadership skills, or what you call that people management skills, has come up as the most challenging part.
We are a QSR industry, we belong to the QSR industry, which is big service industry. So for our staff that is on the ground, people who work at the restaurants, at the stores, there is no option of working from home.
हमारे एम्प्लॉइज वापस ऑफिस आकर काम करना चाहते हैं, they will also feel, in heart of heart feel confident to come back to work.
Because मैं एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ, तो मैं ये बहुत दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ that it has hit really hard the manufacturing sector, especially people who come from the assembly line kind of business, because we cannot afford to have a work from home, especially if I'm coming from gems and jewelry. ये तो नहीं हो सकेगा कि मैं किसी को छोटा सा थोड़े से हीरे एंड थोड़ा सा गोल्ड उनके घर पे दे दूँ, बोलो भाई बना के मुझे दे दें आप। तो ये चीज हमारे लिए नहीं वर्क करती है।
Work from home culture in hotels will take some time because we deal with human beings. Okay, we deal with services. So certain departments, yes, can migrate or might migrate into work from home or a hybrid kind of a culture. However, the main operation department like kitchen, F&B service, housekeeping, front office, spa, that will not be possible because you cannot do it just sitting in the house, right? So you have to come to the hotel.
Asking on this whole work from home and this whole scenario that's happening, I feel that there's some impact, some emotional impact. The major challenge I would see as isolation, because suddenly you are just confined into this four walls. You're holed up at your home, you can't step out, and you're only meeting people or you're seeing people who are in the house, your family. So suddenly this whole isolation feeling of not getting in touch with your co-workers, your colleagues, could impact somewhere. It will definitely have some impact.
People are working, overworking, underworking. So it's all different viewpoints of each and everyone.
They've lost touch. Somewhere, जो वो personal connect था, their connect with the company, all of that has gotten compromised to some extent. I would say not completely, because companies have made voracious efforts in keeping in touch or improving the engagement levels and sustaining, businesses in every way possible.
Now the situation is that when we ask people to come back to office now, people are eagerly waiting for the notification from HR department that when we get back to office. We have 100% vaccinated people in the organization.
A lot of innovation and all that happens when people are together, they are face to face, meetings होती हैं. It's easy to manage. Remote tools are there, but in many places आपको पता है जैसे ना meeting हो रही होती है, and then sometimes it happens that at the most opportune time it gets disconnected and all of that stuff.